Welcome, Domenico Solazzo in here, and today is 2 minutes in tech. Let's go! Today I want to show you a small trick to speed up your workflow when working with CSS. Sometimes you need like the styling of a given component of a web page that you are building or a page that you are visiting and you really admire. So I use this so many times, mostly like when I'm browsing great design on website like Dribble. And when I find like a good design, sometimes I'm very curious how they wrote the CSS of a given component that I really like, and this trick make me extract the CSS of the component in record time. And let me show you how you do that. So let me show you how you can do this easily on your browser. So the things you need to do: go on the website that you want to grab the CSS for a given component. In this example we are going to like my website, and I will try to take like the CSS of a given button and try to copy this styling in Code Sandbox, where I have like an example project. This is like my button, and I'm going to open Command Option E to the Chrome DevTools. I'm going here, I'm going to select this like the A link, and I will do copy, and there is an option called copy styles. That's like all you need for copying these styles. You click this, you go to Code Sandbox, you paste the styling, and there it is. You have your button that just look like the one that you took the code from. So this was like super easy way to grab a CSS from something you got inspired of from some website that you really liked, and you could use this CSS, you could extract the CSS in a super record time. And this is super usable when you are doing like MVP or just like prototyping something fast and you know exactly how it should look. You find the same look on some website, and in this way you can extract immediately the CSS and apply it to your website. So this is super effective way to do this, and you don't need anything more than your browser. Like the Chrome DevTools have already the tools for doing this. Hope you like this video. Subscribe if you are not already, and see you to the next video. Bye.